We eat food every day, and most of us have not realized how the food we eat impacts on our well-being, mental, emotional, our internal world, external environment, and interaction with other people. We are exploring a new recipe, making vegetarian meat from banana, potato, mushroom, dry vegetarian meat, and green banana. So we boil the green banana and the potato, and then peel off the skin and shake them up. Early 2018, I came across a documentary on the root cause of sickness. It showed the stories of people got sick and the doctor couldn't find out anything wrong with them. And from the spiritual side, they were advised not to eat what they are eating, which is stop eating the meat, the animal, and start certain rituals. They were then free from the condition. The documentary also showed how animals are raised in a small space and not able to move. They are so sad and stressed. What would happen to their meat? And what would happen to me when I consume it? I decided I will stop eating meat by the end of 2018, which give myself some time to adjust to the idea. So when I fed myself with what I wanted to eat, I told myself, by the end of the year, we are not eating this anymore. And also giving myself that time to learn to cook vegetarian meal. Not until March 2019 that I completely stopped consuming animal meat. And instantly, the unpleasant feeling I used to have when I ate disappeared. I was able to enjoy food. I felt lighter inside. There was peace in my digestive system and my energy level was good. Since little, I had issue with eating. I did not enjoy food. In fact, I felt unpleasant when eating. Most of the time, I stopped eating before I was full. It was a stressful issue in my life. My family were worried. I was worried about my energy level. And it was a challenge when I started to work. I realized all these years, part of my consciousness was trying to tell me not to eat meat by creating the unpleasant feeling when eating. I totally missed the message. Someone I know has a son who has not touched animal meat since birth. I have met him, very bright and intelligent, highly energized. Children coming to earth at this time are highly spiritually intelligent. And we hear of this story in children more and more that they don't want to eat meat. And most restaurants now have vegetarian options as more and more people prefer vegetarian food. When we have a deep understanding of how meat impacts us, we can then have a strong urge of not consuming them. There were times walking by the food court during the first few months of not eating meat. I thought, that smell and look good. I want to try. I then told myself, that is not doing me any good. And that desire instantly disappeared. And the other day while at work, I was warming up my breakfast. A work colleague came and said, that look interesting, what's inside? I showed him. He said, that look good and healthy. He said, you Asian, look much younger. than your age. I said it's the food we eat, and also I do meditation, personal development to balance emotion and mental health, so that cleared out a lot of stress. If you want to switch to vegetarian, like getting off smoking, we need to do it slowly. Allow our mind and body to adjust itself. I shared my journey of getting off meat in the past video. Please refer to the link. It took a while for me to learn. However, when we know the basic, then we can create all kind of variation of recipes, and it tastes much better than pork. So adding gluten flour, and this is like glue. It's sticking all the pieces of the vegetables together. It's optional. Here I'm using banana potato, which we grow at home, and I don't think they sell them at the shop, so you can replace them with potato or taro. And now it's ready to eat. It looks and tastes like meat. So this is the basic, and from here we can create many different dishes, which I will share in the next videos.